ngayon you are relaxing, and one of the habit that we developed over the years ay yung pag-scroll sa social media, looking on other people's lives, getting news, how they have been, and now we start to somehow feel the connection gap that we have with those people na hindi natin kasama at this point. With the rise of social media at mga influencers, they usually want to show lavish, happy, and perfect kind of life. Yung tipong panayang post ng feeling blessed. Pag nakikita natin yung mga ganitong klaseng post, behind our mind, nagtatanong tayo sa sarili natin, I want that. Some of us even compare our own situation with them. Nagiging sanhi ito ng sadness at yung iba nadidepress. Yes, it's hard not to compare and we feel we are falling behind. Pero, hello, tao din yung mga yan nagpo-post na yan. May mga sarili-sariling problema yung mga yan. And behind those feeling blessed post na nakikita mo, like them, nakakaranas din sila ng mga insecurities. It's a human nature talaga na humahanap tayo ng validation and connection from others. It boosts our self-esteem. Yung feel good ka kapag maraming likes yung post mo. But some people even distort the reality, like using filters or showing off para i-like mo sila. Syempre. So if you assume that everyone else's life is better, it's a dangerous game of comparison. So I would rather be happy with them and write my own life story than focus on saying, why I don't have that? Marami din naman taong wala akong anong meron ka. And with that in mind, we will feel grateful kung anumang meron tayo. We will feel simply because healthy tayo, humihinga tayo. At my age, kahit na medyo slow ang progress compared to others, I should think na may mga mas bata pa sa akin na unfortunate and yung iba ay bigla na lang nawawala sa mundo eh. Napakaswerte mo. If we will think that way, that is when we will be more happy. Along the way talaga maraming peke diyan. And I would rather follow accounts that inspire, educate, and uplift. At syempre, i-unfollow yung mga nagtitrigger ng inggit at saka mga duda sa sarili. Kaya syempre, follow nyo ako and mag-subscribe. I share here on my YouTube account my failures, my success, and my insights. Walang keme-keme, and let us uplift and support each other para mas happy tayo, di ba? Remember, your life is real, messy, and beautiful. Don't let the illusion of others' perfection steal your joy. Be kind to yourself and celebrate your unique journey. Yan ang isa sa dapat nating matutunan on our way to our road to abundance. So, muli inaanyayahan ko kayong i-like and mag-subscribe dito sa aking channel. Please, sige na. O siya. Ako yung nagbablog ngayong madaling araw ay 2:00 dito ng madaling araw, and syempre kailangan kong gumising kasi night shift ako and kailangan kong humanap ng gagawin. Kaya ito. And after nito, pupunta na ako sa gym. Tara, tapos na ako. Punta tayong gym.